How to send a message in TikTok Lite app. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can easily send messages in TikTok Lite. The first thing you can do is simply open up the application. Now once you have the app, you can just open it up. So I already have the application. I'll just open TikTok Lite. Now you're going to have to find the inbox button at the bottom right corner of your screen, right beside the me icon. And here you'll be able to find your inboxes. So if you want to send a message, just tap on the profile you want to send it to, and you can just go ahead and type in your message. Now once you've done that, you can just tap on send again, and that's basically it. You can do this and share TikToks with them as well. So if I want to share this, tap on the share icon, tap on the person you want to send it to, tap on send, and it will be sent to their account. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.